Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylion's credit card reward tracker. So let's get straight into it. So the credit card reward tracker allows you to track your credit card rewards and to optimize your reward earnings. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to make use of that. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and password, and then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the credit card section by clicking on the credit card tab. Next, you want to click on rewards tracker, and then select the credit card that you want to track the rewards for. And next, you just got to enter your credit card information, and you'll be able to track your reward earnings. So use this to optimize your reward earnings. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use Moneylion's credit card reward tracker. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.